Jay Powell saying that there could be elements that could persist around inflation, but transitory as a word is what they're dropping right now. Do you think the market is prepared for a faster taper?
Well, I think that was signaled, I believe, by Vice Chairman Clarado recently, but I agree it's significant that he appears to have dropped the word transitory in a somewhat sneaky fashion. The Fed has obviously been completely wrong on its inflation forecast this year, but it's also stuck to the mantra that it won't get worried about inflationary pressures unless inflationary expectations, longer-term inflationary expectations become destabilized, and so far that is not really the case. But it seems to me there's a strong payroll number on Friday, which is likely to be the case, that the acceleration of tapering is on the way to becoming consensus, but clearly we have the new variant which argues against that. So it's really a call between a strong payroll and what happens on the new variant.
Yeah, and let's talk about that new variant for a bit. Given all the information that is out there, how are you processing it and thinking about the risks for the market as well as the overall investment climate?
Well, I think the short-term risk is that governments shoot first and ask questions later, in the sense that they will want to come up with restrictive measures because they don't want especially in the Western world, the Christmas season to be messed up. So they're definitely hitting the transport business, the airline business. But right now, the base case looks that the variant is very infectious, but is not more lethal. So if that's the case, there's a silver lining because more people get infected, but it's not too bad, and therefore immunity goes up. But clearly it's too early to have hard and fast conclusions. And as I say, governments will shoot first and ask questions later, which is why you've seen all these announcements since, over the last few days.